so they are at 70, so they feel fine. Cabin pressure is also okay. I tapped on the hatch a little bit to make sure it was actually like fully closed and locked, and it is. All good.
It's over 70 Fahrenheit Celsius. 70 degrees Fahrenheit is 21. Okay, Capcom, can you just double check with Alan that it's got all the buttons, project and all ready for liftoff?
Alright, our flight controller told us that all systems are checked and you're good for flight.
Alright, roger. And I can confirm, spacecraft configuration looks good. Everything looks good.
Alright, 5 minutes, 40 seconds.
T-minus 5 minutes. And 30 seconds.
Okay, Capcom, this is the controller. When this just transmit this to Alan when your clock reaches 2 minutes, 0 seconds, you have permission to lock your visor.
Okay, Freedom 7, you have full permission by our flight controller to lock your visor at T-minus 2 minutes.
Alright, roger. I will close and lock my visor at T-minus 2 minutes.
Confirmed.
Passing down through 4 minutes 40 seconds. We are looking all good. Looking fantastic.
You're looking just fine over here.
Okay, T-minus 4 minutes exactly.
Approaching T-minus 3 minutes.
Confirmed.
There we go.
3 minutes.
T-minus 2 minutes, 20 seconds.
T-minus 2 minutes.
Approaching T-minus 2 minutes.
Alright, prepare your visor.
Alright. Mark, T-minus 2 minutes. I will close and lock my visor.
Alright.
Alright, visor is closed and locked. I'm going to do a final suit check.
Roger.
Alright, Alright, suit check complete, visor closed and locked. Spacecraft looks good for launch. I feel good for launch. Suit is good for launch. We are A-OK.
Copy that.
1 minute 30 seconds.
Everything looks good over here.
Alright. The flight director says that you're looking just fine over here.
Alright, roger. Acknowledged. Capcom, are you gonna count down the final count for me?
I will, okay. Roger that.
I was just checking in. I wasn't sure who. Yeah, alright. Alright.
T-minus 1 minute.
Roger. I'll monitor the Mayday light. I'll monitor the tower jet light, and I will monitor the capsat light. Keep an eye on that abort handle, and I'll keep checks on cabin pressure.
Right, Redstone is on internal power.
You're currently on internal power.
Roger.
Alright, out. Okay, Capcom relay this to Alan. Alan, you're on your own from here. You've got you and yourself, Capcom. Good luck.
20 seconds.
20 seconds. Okay, the flight director, not the flight director, the
10.
flight controller sends his best regards. And look.
5.
7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, we got a liftoff. Clock is running. I can confirm clock is running. We'll keep an eye on those lights. Cabin pressure looks just fine. Stand by for roll and pitch.
Roger that. Okay, so you're looking just fine now.
Alright, we got roll.
Roger that.
Flight controller needs to
We have roll confirmed.
Alright, we got roll, we got pitch.
Pitch is confirmed. We got a good launch.
Alright, everything looks good up here. Cabin holding at 5 psi. Got 1.8 G on acceleration. I feel just fine. All lights look normal. Nothing out of the ordinary.
Alright, we're about to get max gear.
Okay, max gear reached.
Alright, roger that. We're through max Q. Everything still looks good. Cabin holding at 5 psi as normal. We are at 2 Gs of acceleration. Redstone is performing very smoothly. Capsule is fine.
Roger that.
All good, all good. I feel great. A-OK. Should be standing by for cutoff in a couple moments here.
Yeah, well, mission cutoff and then tower jet acceleration.
Main engine cutoff.
Stand by for cutoff. Stand by.
Standing by.
Cutoff, we got cutoff. Tower jet is green. Standing by for separation. All instruments checked. Attitude indicator checked.
Message cut off.
Alright, we got separation. Posigrade rockets have fired. I will start the turnaround maneuver.
Roger.
Starting turnaround. We are going to maneuver to our retrofire attitude, and I will begin manual checks of our speed.
Roger that.
Turnaround is complete. I feel fantastic. Alright, switching manual mode, manual fuel handle, push on, AC ASCS mode select switch auxiliary damp, and I'm going to use the hand controller. Okay. Alright, testing manual yaw. Manual yaw is fine, testing manual pitch. Manual pitch is fine, testing manual roll. And manual roll is fine, all axes of motion on manual control are fine. We are in our retrofire attitude. I will bring out the periscope.
Roger that.
Periscope is out. What a beautiful view. I can see Florida all the way from Miami up through Daytona Beach. It looks absolutely fantastic. What a beautiful view.
Sorry to jump in.
Looks like minor cloud cover.
This is flight control. Can you show this to Alan? We have visual on the periscope. Great launch separation.
We are standing by for, we are in the retro attitude, standing by for retro fire sequence.
Roger that. Our flight control wanted to tell me that launch was good, separation was good.
Alright, roger that.
Cutoff was good.
Launch was good, separation was good, cutoff is good, and I can confirm that spacecraft maneuverability is great, periscope observation is great, retrofire attitude holding is great, switching back to the normal mode, ASCS mode select switch normal, and in the retrofire attitude stand by for retrofire sequence. Retro 1, we got Retro 1. Retro 2, Retro 2, and stand by for Retro 3. We got Retro 3, got 3 great retros. We got Retro 1 cutoff, Retro 2 cutoff, standing by for Retro 3 cutoff.
Roger.
And all 3 retros are cut off. We are good. Retro fire sequence was great. Standing by for a retro pack jettison.
Standing by.
Can you tell Alan to retract the periscope?
Okay, the flight director taught us to retract the periscope.
Alright, roger. I will retract the periscope.
Roger.
Periscope is coming back. And we have, hold on. I do not have a light on the retro jet. I heard a bang. I can see the retro package falling away out of my window. I will use override.
Roger.
Alright,
Clear to use override.
Override used, retro jet is green. I'm going to maneuver to re-entry attitude. The periscope is confirmed in.
Roger. Periscope is in.
You can tell Alan, telemetry is good.
Telemetry is good.
Roger that, telemetry is good. I feel great. We are beginning our descent. We have finished maneuvering. We are in our re-entry attitude. All looks good for re-entry. And I am back on ASCS, so I am off of manual control and the computers are controlling at this point.
Roger.
Wow, what a fantastic view. Altitude is 177 kilometers and falling. Speed is a little over 4,000 miles per hour on the descent, increasing quite rapidly.
Roger that.
We look all good, everything is on schedule. Altitude 170 kilometers.
170.
I will give you momentary altitude updates.
Roger that.
Auto retro jet switch disarms. Green. Altitude indicator and periscope cross-checked. Retro fire tail light green. Auto retro jet switch arm. Jet retro telelight illuminated. ASCS position confirmed. Periscope and attitude indicator checked. Periscope fully retracted. There we go. Yep. I will monitor attitude indicator until we reach 5/100th of a G. And the 5/100th of a G switch telelight will illuminate on start of atmospheric reentry. Hasn't illuminated yet. Rate indicator shows 6 degrees per second of roll rate. And I do have the option of switching over to a manual roll control, but I will leave that onto the computer. And
Okay, copy. You tell Alan to prepare for re-entry.
Alright, prepare for re-entry.
Roger that. Preparing for re-entry. Roll rate has reduced to 5 degrees per second. I am standing by for the 0.05 G switch light to illuminate to indicate start of re-entry. Altitude is 110 kilometers. Speed is 9,000 miles per hour.
Roger.
Standing by for re-entry. Okay, 5/100th of a G switch light has illuminated. We are beginning re-entry. Okay, G force is increasing. I will give G updates. 3, 5, 6, 9.
You can copy relay,
11.
Get rid drugs.
11.
Jesus.
11 and a half.
It's 11 and a half.
9. Altitude 50 kilometers, halfway through.
Call transmit through, prepare for drug.
Prepare for drone.
Deceleration is down to 3 Gs. Max G was 11.5. 11.5. We are standing by for drogue deploy.
Roger that.
Stand by for the script deploy.
Cabin temperature is good. Suit temperature is good. Cabin pressure is good.
Roger.
No bad indications.
Okay, transmit to Alan, prepare for script deploy and drug deploy.
Prepare for scope deploy and main deploy.
Okay, we have drogue deploy. We have scope deploy. The drogue is out, looks good. I can see it above me. We should have main chute deploy in a couple of moments.
Roger.
Altitude 1,800 meters. Altitude 1,800 meters.
Please repeat.
How slow is she looking?
Mercury is good.
And main chute deploy, we have main chute deploy.
Okay,
Roger, main chute deploy.
This is a great flight. We're prepared for landing. I will see you on the ground.
Altitude 1,400 meters. Main chute looks great. I feel fine. G-force has reduced to nothing basically, and I will begin my egress checks here and landing checks. Drogue telelight illuminated at 42,000 feet. The snorkel ring pulled. O2 emergency flow warning light illuminated. Launch oxy light illuminated. Main deploy telelight illuminated. Main chute deployment checked. Shock opening is approximately 3-1 to 2 Gs. Rate of descent indicator shows approximately 32 feet per second. Chute is checked for proper deployment, and no indicated or apparent damage to the chute. It looks fine. Landing bag green light illuminated, and after impact with the ocean, I will switch rescue aid switch to post-impact, and landing checks are complete. Altitude is 400 meters and dropping. We are standing by for touchdown. Landing checks are good.
Hey, Capcom, relay this to Alan, please. Okay, Alan, great flight. Prepare for landing. Well done.
Okay, Alan, great flight, prepare for landing, and well done.
Roger, thank you, Capcom. Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna open up my visor. I don't need that anymore, it's all good. I'm gonna disconnect some of my umbilicals here and remove my primary harnesses. Altitude is 35 meters. Descent rate 2.9 meters per second. Standing by for impact. Woo! Okay, we have impact. We have touchdown. The chutes are coming out, and I am on the ocean. Alright, landing bags are fine. Rescue aid switch set to post-impact. Landing bags look good. The chute looks good. I feel fine. I'm going to disconnect my umbilicals here. Okay. Alright, we got good touchdown. Cape, would you like me to begin my egress checks?
You're clear for egress checks.
Alright, Roger. Cabin is depressurizing. After the cabin is depressurized, I'll pop open the hatch, and the helicopter should be arriving in a couple of minutes. Alright, cabin pressure looks good. The cabin depress looks good. Cape, am I cleared to pop open the hatch?
You are clear to open the hatch.
Alright, roger that. Opening the hatch. And the hatch is open now. The hatch is sliding open. Okay, we're bouncing up and down on the water a little bit. I can already see the helicopter. Looks good.
Okay, Capcom, relay to Alan. Okay, Alan, this is flight control. Once you switched off everything, you're clear to get out of the capsule, and the helicopter will be waiting for you.
Alright, Alan, once you shut out the whole capsule, you're clear to get out of it and board the helicopter.
Alright, roger. Alright, helicopter hook is on the capsule, and I have hold of the line. This is Freedom 7, we're going to sign off. Egress is complete. We are going to head on up into the helicopter. Thank you, everyone. I will see you in a little bit, and alright, good mission.
Good job, Alan. Welcome back on Earth.